Okay, so we are here on our friend's 450. We're on starboard side, and this is the front cabin. Main bulkhead right here. We had a leak here on the ceiling, right? Very close to the bulkhead. It was coming off the ceiling. So what happens is just over the ceiling, what we have is the windows. You can see here the frame. This is the inside, but on that side here, there's another part here. That's where the window sits. And from the manufacturer, when put in the windows, what they do, they put in little holes. Let me show you. So where is it? It's right here. You can't even see it. They put in little holes with screws, and that's what is holding it in the window until the glue sets. And this little hole right here. So this little hole is where all the water is coming from when it's raining. That's if you have the sealant around the windows. If there's any cracks in that sealant around the windows and the water can reach that small hole, well, that's what happens. You get water in the ceiling. So this is just a counter mold, no big deal. Open this up. You find the hole somewhere there. Same thing on the other side, on both sides. If you have any leaks, that's where it's usually coming from. Like and subscribe.